CBSE Sports Chess Tournament in Harapanahalli. It was a great experience for me and a new experience. We had very experienced opponents, so it was hard and difficult for us to win there. But we learned so many things there. I thank Principal Ma'am for sending us there, and I even thank Shruti Ma'am and Nitaka sir for coming with us and supporting us. Thank you.
We went there, we all were very nervous, and our first match was a lose. We lost a match because most of us were nervous. And in the second match, we all won because of the confidence. And winning and losing kept on happening. There were very tough opponents there, and we made lot of friends. All the opponents we played with are our friends now. We got a friend from Amrut Vidyalaya.